Hey people of my social network. Shout out to all the process automation enthusiasts, developers and architects. Something interesting is coming up for you. I'm excited to invite you to this year's Camunda Community Summit, which will take place from the 26th to the 28th of April. I'm very happy to welcome you to a Camunda Cloud related code studio, which is a one-day workshop starting on the 26th. And if you are interested in joining, we'll definitely meet there, since I've already planned some great content for you that day. On the 27th, the code studio is followed up by an Unconference, and afterwards on the 28th, we are going to have some expert sessions for you already ready. So stay tuned for the final agenda. I will keep you posted because there will be some awesome speakers and interesting topics coming up. Even though this year's summit is still taking place online, I'm happy to meet you during this interactive event and looking forward for you all to show up. So stay tuned for further information and see you there.